to a vibration frequency. The higher vibration frequency elevates Number two, engage in meditation and mindfulness. Meditation helps the mind and aligns your energy with higher frequencies. Practice deep breathing and mindfulness throughout your day to stay present and connected. Third, surround yourself with positive energy. Limit exposure to negative influences like news, gossip. Spend time with supportive friends. Listen to uplifting music. Spend time in nature. Practice acts of kindness and compassion. Five, nourish your body and soul. Eat nutritious foods that fuel your body and avoid substances that lower